RUNPOMETER Ratchet tubing cutter. For the Mario Brothers, we have the ideal tool, a cutter for tubes. It can slice through pipes of various sizes, from 28 to 67 millimeters in diameter, and different materials such as plastic, iron, steel, or reinforced plastic. The cutter is small and has a ratchet mechanism that makes it easy to use. It can help you with jobs like cutting car exhaust pipes. You decide if it is worth the $132 price tag. Millennium Multi-Bead Applicator. This cart makes it easier and faster to put insulation material in place by applying adhesive in a simple way. The vendor says that you can save a lot of money on big projects that are more than 4,600 square meters. The cart has 13 slots for 1.5-liter glue containers and runs on a battery that has 7 or 12 amp hours, so you don't need any wires. The team has a patent for their invention. Also, you can choose a version that lets you drip or spray the glue. PipeMAB 200. With magnets, German experts have created a quality tool for drilling pipes. The machine has a magnetic clamping system that can fit any pipe diameter. It can hold up to 1,020 kilograms of weight for pipes that are 20 millimeters thick or less. The tool is light, weighing only 16 kilograms. It can drill tubes that are 85 millimeters wide or more, and 3 millimeters thick or more. The tool has a powerful motor of 1,050 watts that can drill fast and safely, reaching up to 450 rounds per minute. You can get this useful tool for $940. RUNPOMETER RM35. The wire and cable products market was huge in 2019, with a value of around $185 billion. This tool is part of that market and can measure how long a cable is on a spool in no time. It can handle cables of different sizes, from 2 to 32 millimeters in diameter. It also has features that let you add or subtract lengths. You can work for a long time with this tool, as it only needs one battery charge for 100 hours. It has a smart USB-C charger that can plug in any way and won't harm the contacts. Plus, the tool is safe from dust, water, and bumps. You can get this amazing tool for just $365. TERA PUMP-TERA P01TXL. For a mere $70, you can get this amazing pump that can do it all. Whether you need it for your farm, your car, or anything else, this pump can handle any liquid you throw at it. Water, gas, antifreeze, farm chemicals, you name it, this pump can pump it. And it only needs 2D batteries to work its magic, pumping 9 liters every minute. Not to mention, you can shrink its size by 13 centimeters to fit it in any tool bag. And it comes with a hose that's 3 meters long. This pump is the result of over a decade of experience and craftsmanship from the manufacturer. Wagner Semi-Art Edge Roller. This paint system is a dream come true for any painter. It has 3 amazing features that make painting a breeze. A 170-gram tank that lets you paint up to 30 meters without refilling. A thumb trigger that gives you full control over the paint flow. And an 8-centimeter roller that pops off and cleans up in a snap. And that's not all. It also has a clever guard next to the roller that keeps the paint where you want it, so you can say goodbye to masking tape. This paint system is a steal at only $25. Zircon ExitPoint XL500. This product is a game changer for anyone who drills holes. It lets you see exactly where your drill bit will come out on the other side. No more guessing, no more mistakes. This tool is the fastest and easiest way to drill holes. It works on any material from wood to concrete, as long as it's not thicker than 23 centimeters. It's a piece of cake to use. Just look for the red diodes and you're good to go. The kit has everything you need: 2 magnetic targets, adhesive discs, a battery, and a case. And it's only $80. What a bargain!